To receive constant, actionable tips to help you improve your quality of life, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then tap the bell icon to be the first to watch our new videos.
How to achieve lucid dreaming with DEILD. Do you want to learn lucid dreaming but have no idea how to achieve this? Well, we have the solution for you. Welcome to Bare Minimal, and today we'll be teaching you how to achieve lucid dreaming with a technique called Dream Exit Induced Lucid Dream, or DEILD for short. Lucid dreaming is a very desirable state of dream that allows you to craft and control the shape and content of your own dream, in which dreamers, while dreaming, are aware that they are dreaming. However, it can be a bit difficult for some people to achieve this state of dreaming without any sort of guidance. DEILD. It's a beginner-level technique that can be quickly performed and doesn't disturb your natural sleeping pattern. On top of being very effective, it's also easy to learn, and today we'll be explaining to you how to precisely do that. So to perform this technique, these are the steps you should take. Make sure to carefully listen to each of them and watch them until the end to fully understand how it works. The main goal you should be aiming for is waking up during REM, also known as rapid eye movement. The first step for the technique is actually practicing to increase your own awareness of the regular brief awakenings that happen after a period of REM. Once you've practiced your awareness, it will be much easier to perform step number 2. When one of these brief awakenings occurs, you have to remain absolutely still, avoid any physical movement that could pull you out of your sleep, and remain in the position you find yourself in. This allows sleep paralysis to re-engage and a rapid re-entry into the dreaming state. During this period of wakefulness, please try to visualize a scene, physical movement, or even both at the same time without actually performing any movement. We'd recommend physical movements that involve your room or anything that you're familiar with, such as walking or moving around your house. Focus on imagining this until the scene or movement is no longer a simple visualized scene and has become part of your dream. Now perform a reality check once this dream has finished forming. This is unnecessary, as for most people, it's quite apparent that you're dreaming. However, if you are new to lucid dreaming, it can be a good practice to solidify your lucidity. Finally, in case the dream fades away and you find yourself waking up, repeat the process from step 1. This can allow you to achieve the coveted technique of dream chaining, which is the process of having multiple lucid dreams in a row. So what did you think of the DEILD technique? Does it sound easy and doable? Let us know in the comments. Also, make sure to comment your previous experiences if you've attempted this technique. We'd love to hear your stories regarding lucid dreams. And before leaving, leave us a like if you enjoyed our video. Share this with your fellow lucid dreamers and subscribe to Bare Minimal to keep receiving more fantastic tips like today. We hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time.
If you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with your friends. For more hacks and advice on living a purposeful life, subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.